is you the things, the places, the people you spend your most of the time with. It could be a book, it could be YouTube channel, it could be a person, it could be your job, it could be your boss, anyone. So the average of those five people, that will be you. So just focus on the people you are surrounding yourself with. If you are surrounding yourself with the right people, you will have the right motivation. And the right motivation. Just a couple of hours before I completed my one editing of my previous video. But since a YouTuber or a person who is linked with digital marketing zone, like I am, but maybe in future I'm gonna be a person in digital marketing area. So that person cannot stop himself. So you have to keep on going in that particular field. You cannot say okay, you cannot procrastinate, you cannot be like lazy so much. You have to have a target of every day, that what you're gonna do today, what you're gonna shoot today, what you're gonna edit today. You have to give yourself a target day by day. Then only you can build a frequency about your work, because it's kind of a work. It is a work where you don't have any boss, you don't have any team initially at the beginning. So that time you have to motivate yourself on your own, because nobody else gonna tell you that please do it. But because right now you're not expert, you're not, because there is a one process. Starting, you have to start, you have to deliver, you have to give the best part of yourself, and you slowly you will come to know that what other things can happen, how to do this, that. Then after some time you will become so much expert that that demand increases. For example, when a new company starts, we talk about startups. Any startup is all about a new idea, the new innovation, that new services or product they are going to give to the people. So at the beginning, what they will be doing is there will be some idea. There will be one or two person who really believes in that idea, so they will work for that. And they will work for that. They will meet the new people related to that field. So many things they will do, and slowly the product will improve. And once product will improve, when it will reach to its final destination or the final product, when it will reach to its final zone or the final that main thing, then people will start liking it. Then slowly demand will get increase. And when the demand will get increased, then automatically the back pressure is generated for the increase in productivity. So that is one thing. So unless this happens, you have to yourself keep going without any motivation, without any demand, without anything. You have to keep on doing those things and what you wanted to do, because success is not a destination. Success is a journey. It starts from some point and ends at somewhere. So that's one thing. So summarizing this story, that I have brought one idea to talk about, that push start. I have taken this term from I am fond of cars actually. Okay. So I really like good cars, sports car, like luxury cars. I like that. I love to explore about the cars. In cars, there's one feature everybody might be knowing, and who doesn't know that there's one feature. It's called push start. That is keyless feature. In that you don't need to. Put the key in. You just press one button and your car gets started. So what comes into your mind with the push start? How that word itself says that push it and start your car. Means without anything, without any external thing, without any external pressure or something, there is one switch, one point that if you click to that, it will get start. So start is a one thing, push is a one thing. Start means starting of anything. In car, in the field of cars, in field of automobile cars, in field of cars, we can say that it is about starting the car, and the push is the button. But actually there are a lot of things in our life, everything you can say that everything we have to start from somewhere. Okay. And for starting everything, you need some push. Okay, as we have already so many times discussed about it in different ways, but today it's a different story. So we need a push to start anything. Anything you want to start, you need a push. Either it could be external or it could be internal. So there should be something in your life which gives you the push start. Okay, there should be some system, some books, some videos, one from people, some stories, and some continuous situation. You can you just have to keep your eyes open, look around yourself, and you will find out automatically things which will push you to start that thing off. You wanted to do something, but your energy is low, or you have the energy but you don't have any idea, and so you keep on searching those things. You just have to be in the right thing. You just have to be surround yourself with the right thing, then automatically you get the right push start. So if you want to be a good cricketer, okay, so you have to surround yourself with the good players. If you see that around yourself people are playing good cricket, if they are getting liked by people, so then you will have a attraction toward them. Then one day it will give you that push, sudden push. Once you have that click, and you just start that off. Because starting something is a desire. It's a very heavy desire. You cannot withhold this inside of you, inside your heart. So if you have, it's like okay. So that's the thing. Just keep your eyes open. Just keep looking the things. It's a mindset. So for me also, this had happened that I was thinking about starting my YouTube channel for a long time, but suddenly one day there was one story. This story we'll talk about later. But something had happened with me that it has clicked to my mind. I could not hold up that desire, and I immediately started doing this. My inner voice somewhere, it has said to me that you cannot hold it, you have to do it. You cannot live your life, you cannot breathe if you are not doing it. So that is a push start. There will be some, as I told you, examples some stories, some videos, some person, some books, something, anything can give you the push start. You just have to keep your eyes open. You have to surround yourself with the right people, right things. Because as one saying is there, very good saying is that you are the average of 5 people you hang out with. Hang out doesn't mean that you have to go to McD or go to Domino's or go outside somewhere to hang around for. Hanging out means the things, the places, the people you spend your most of the time with. It could be a book, it could be YouTube channel, it could be person, it could be your job, it could be your boss, anyone. So the average of those 5 people, that will be you. So just focus on people you are surrounding yourself with. If you are surrounding yourself with the right people, you will have the right motivation. And the right motivation, one day you cannot hold it inside you, and you're gonna start that thing which you always wanted to do. Because if you wanted to start YouTube channel, you have to watch your YouTube channels first. Okay, if you are watching the right YouTube channel, what you want to do, so one day you will start finding that similarity between you and that person who is already in the field. Okay, and then you think, yeah, ये तो मैं भी कर सकता हूँ ना, so why can't I? So that day, one day, how many times you will say no to yourself? So there's two versions of yourself. One version will be saying that I can do that. One, let it be, yeah, let's sleep, let's eat, let's do that, let's do this. You will just procrastinate. So one day, you cannot say no to that inner one who is saying that let's do that for a longer time. One day you will be forced, or that's the thing, you'll be forced to do that. Because अंत में जीत अच्छाई की होती है. So one day you will be doing what you are supposed to do. You just think whom you are with. So with this I would like to end this discussion. With this I would like to end up my discussion. This was all for today's video, guys. Hope you guys have liked this. If you guys have liked it, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for this upcoming videos in further in future. And so see you guys in the next video. Bye.